Gold traded very much in range yesterday, as I said, 1865 and 1880 levels, and precisely it failed to sustain below or above either of these levels. Likewise, silver too has failed to sustain below 2220, but at the same time, it has achieved 2260 levels, which I told you was a very good resistance level. But yes, I hope you all profited with the entry levels at 2240. So, now what to expect today with gold and silver? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next analysis which will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold and followed with silver. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now see here on the hourly charts, you can see first 1860 and then 1865, and with that as support it is tried to give a little rise, little rally. Now see here also 1870 levels, multiple candles getting closed at 1870, and since then it has given a little breakout. Now, once again, if you see it trading above 1876, you can buy. However, remember 1878, 1880 levels are going to provide a little resistance, and only if it trades above this, you can expect 84, 85, the first target, and then in fact there is a potential to rise till towards 90 levels. Same analysis which we did see yesterday. Now see why I'm saying so. See on the hourly charts, higher lows are getting created. Previously, this was the resistance zone. Once again, 1865 levels provided it a resistance. Now, also see here, see this is a breakout on the hourly charts, which means there is a little bullishness. So, if you see it trading above 1876, you can buy for. But remember, till 1885, you have to remain cautious and alert, as it can reverse any point of time, and there are resistances still there, and hence one need to be very cautious with the trade there. Now let's have a look at indicators and other charts. Directional movement here is trying to cross over for a buy entry. Stochastic has seen overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is flat there. And if you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you can see previous candle was a breakout candle. After consolidating here within the zone, previous candle has given a breakout, and at the same time what it is trying to do, if you look at the charts here, it is giving you lower highs, lower lows, trying to create a channel of its own. So yes, above 1876 levels there could be little bullishness. However, 1880, 1885 level, this zone till 1885, 1890 levels are also achievable. But remember, it is not to be considered bullish, as what it is trying to do, it is trying to just retrace a bit, and potentially we may see a drop later again. Now why? Because see, there was a sharp drop here, you can see this, then consolidation, then sharp drop. Now it is trying to consolidate again such that it can decide the next direction. And if you see here, till 1890 levels potentially are achievable, but a very strong resistance zone. Until then, you have to be very cautious and alert. Always keep shifting your stop loss to your entry price such that your trade closes in profit or without any loss, or put a trailing stop loss. Now see, directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge. Stochastic is trying to rise. The MACD has crossed over, and this crossover is happening at a bottom. This is trading with divergence. This is a bullish indication. RSI is also oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Higher highs, higher lows are seen. Only sell entry, once again I will say, below 1865 levels. Yes, you can sell. However, only if it breaks below 1860, there will be bearishness. Till 1860, we have to be watchful. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over, and this is divergent, this is bullish. This crossover is happening at a bottom, and hence little bullishness can. You can see this at sub -10 levels, and it is trying to rise, so potentially little more. But see, what it is trying to do is trying to increase or trying to bring the indicators to the comfortable levels with the modest move without any real signs of bullishness. Now see, RSI is oversold, and it was oversold, and it has come out of the oversold zone. If you look at the 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts too, likewise consolidation and a breakout, and this is the first candle. Potentially we may see couple or more green candles there can try to bring it further bullish, and hence 1876 is a good level for you to enter. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy entry. RSI was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. Likewise on the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts here. Now see, on the daily charts, higher lows, 50 period moving average sitting at 1865, certainly be a very good support there. With that as support, it is trying to rise. The candle might remain green, and I think 1865 levels it might not show, but yes, 1880, 1885 levels can be expected. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is also divergent and bearish. It is trying to stabilize. Potentially, it may converge later. RSI is trading flat. So considering this, for the same, for the day you can sell at 1865 levels, but remember only below 1860 it is going to be bearish. Till that time potentially a little retracement can be expected, and on the upside above 1876, yes, you can buy. However, remember 1878-80 zone first resistance, then 1885 and then 1890 levels are achievable. And remember, this is a retracement trade. This is not a reversal. So the trend is still bearish, but it is trying to retrace after the sharp drop. It is trying to increase or bring the indicators to the comfortable level such that it can resume the downward trend. And hence you have to trade. Buy trades are strictly with the trailing stop loss for now. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch started yesterday, and next batch is also announced, that is going to be in first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. Reserve your seats. Only limited seats are available. Now, my Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. Yesterday I told you about 2240 levels. You can expect 2260. 2260 precisely gave it a very good resistance. Now see what it is trying to do. It is trying to trade in this, but see, the lows here failed to sustain below 2220 level. That is most important part. It means that on the downside there is increasing support, because see, silver has seen very sharp support, sharp drop from these levels at, you can see this 2350 levels, and since then it has seen a very good drop, and before that also we have seen it dropping from 2460 levels. So now it is trying to stabilize a bit. You can see rise, retracement, rise again, and now wait for it to break past the 2240 levels again. Once it trades about 2240, yes, 2250, 2260 levels are again achievable and are definitely going to remain a very good resistance zone. At the same time, look at downside here. See, rise has started from here at these levels 20 to 28. So uh, anyways, the only comfortable sell entry is below 2220 levels. Below 2220 you can remain short, and you can expect a further drop for 2210 and $22 levels. But you can, those who want to enter a little early can enter at 2225 levels and expect a little drop from there. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, and that is why we can see a red candle, minor red candle there. MACD is in green. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. So probably once it trades beyond 2240, again we may see a little rise. Either it can achieve the highs from yesterday, or potentially we may see it limiting itself till 2255 levels, and hence till there, till about 2240 you can buy. However, till 2260 levels be cautious and alert, as it is not a reversal trade. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bullish here. This is looking upwards. RSI is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. Look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, see, one thing to note here is one bearish candle, retracement candle, and this levels failed to breach past the highs of the previous candle. So the complete movement, complete retracement is engulfed within this candle, and this is a bearish sign. So once it breaks out beyond this zone at 2240, then only we can consider that it is looking forward to 2250, 2260 levels. So only about 2260 little more bullishness can be seen, and hence buy at 2240, sell at 2220 remains intact for the day. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over here, and this is first green sign here. And this crossover is happening at a bottom, so potentially we may see little bullishness here. RSI is at bottom and near to oversold levels. Now look at 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, achieving slightly lower lows, it is showing a reversal sign, but it's still it is not to be considered reversal till the time it trades below 2260. Same levels. Directional movement bearish trying to converge, stochastic at bottom, the MACD trying to converge crossover for the buy entry, and RSI is also trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, now see this on the daily chart, the previous candle had a long tail, long wick and a long tail. Also see the opening is above this, and hence potentially we may see greener candle today, which may take it till towards 2260 levels. This is my expectation. But yes, it is valid till the time it trades about 2220. Below 2220, again we may see little more drop. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. Considering this for the day, you can buy at 2240, sell at 2220. In between these 20 cents, do not trade, and above 2240, you can potentially expect it to rise till towards 2250, 55, 60. Only if it trades about 2260, you can expect 2280 levels and 2275, 80 levels, and then beyond that, further bullishness might take it till towards 23. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my Signal channel. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.